Alright, so here's the absolutely massive new desk. I love it. I think I'm gonna swap out the bookshelf, like just switch them around, because I want it a little more against the window, I think, and it makes like the passage here quite narrow. So yeah, now I gotta take everything off of my bookshelf. Okay, hi, so here is how it turned out. I really like it. I really like the fact that it's right next to the window, and then I do have my curtains here. I decided to move the bookshelf that was here out into the living room, so I just put a mirror there, and it's just nice because the desk is now like the focus of this wall. So I thought we could do a little desk tour. Once again, I'll try my best to leave everything down below, but I think I'll definitely be adding some things to it. My green desk chair I've had for a year now. I got this last January, I think. This is from Wayfair. I really love it. It's so cozy and it is my favorite color. So I decided to move my, what are these even called? Like magazine file folder things to the left side of my desk. And then I have some of my school notebooks, my journals, reading journals, and just other notebooks that I keep, like YouTube stuff. And then I do have some sticky notes and tabs too. So yeah, this has been really nice to just have them all here. And then I just keep my microphone on my desk for when I'm editing or just recording videos. This coaster I got in a book subscription box, and it is a quote from The Night Circus that says, "Looking forward will be better than looking back." But I just really like this material. I don't even know what to call it, but it's just nice. This thing is probably one of my favorite things I have on my desk, and it was like the best Christmas present ever. So it is a book holder, I guess. So on it, I just have one of my textbooks and then a work that I'm currently writing an essay on, which is Frankenstein. I did get this for Christmas for my family. I love it so much. It saves my neck from just like staring down at the desk or whatever I'm reading. I love it, and it is adjustable too, so I just put it there. And then also behind I have my speaker. As for my keyboard and mouse, I've been using this one for the past week or so. I always get questions on this. This one is from Mophie, and I really do like it. I love the noise it makes, and I have the matching mouse too, and it fits so perfectly underneath my monitor stand that I got. This one I found on Amazon. I'm pretty sure you can find just clear monitor stands anywhere, but this one is so sturdy, and I just love the like clear look. And then on it, I just have my earphones, earbuds, earpods, whatever you want to call them, my blue light editing glasses that I wear sometime, and then I do have my monitor, which is from Think Vision. All the way back here, I have my lamp. This one my grandma gave me. I might think about getting a different one because this one is quite bright. And then on it, I do just hang a keychain that one of you guys gave me. Thank you so much. I love it. It's so gorgeous. And I like to like hold it and play with it when I'm like fiddling around. This side of my desk has like the storage containers. So I do have 2 of these clear ones. And then I did decide to actually reorganize them a little bit differently. On top, this pen and pencil holder, I got this bowl thrifted. And then just my little guys that just hang out on top. We have Calcifer, which was also a gift from one of you guys. Thank you so much. And then we have a Pokemon Aeron, which I've had since I was like 10. So So in this container, I really love it too because it has like a lip on top so you can put stuff up here. But in the first drawer, I just have essentials and stuff that I use almost every day. So just chapstick, the LED lights, a USB connector, and Scotch tape. And then in this one, I decided to store all of my tabs and some sticky notes for annotating books and just like studying and keeping track of things. So I love this drawer. I love tabs so much. I have such a passion for tabs. And in the bottom one is bigger sticky notes. So, and also cue cards or note cards for studying, which I rarely use, honestly. Over here, I have my rabbit foot fern, who really likes it here because I have like the light there, but in it as well, I did get these really cute like little plant pokey guys, I guess. These are from Ivy, and I really like them. My other clear container drawer, this first one just contains a whole bunch of highlighters, and then in the bottom one, as you can see, is my sticker drawer where I just have a bunch of miscellaneous stickers. Then for the art wall above my desk, I had so many prints on here. It was getting a little too crowded. So what I decided to do was separate the stickers or the art prints into seasons. So this is the organization and ones that I want to use for winter, I guess. And then I'll just change them out so that I can always be looking at new things and using new prints that I like, but ones that are definitely going to stay here long term is this Abigail Larson print, and it is Mary Shelley and her monster. I love it so much. And then if we go up here, most of these are gifts from you guys, which I love. If I know where any of these are from or anything, I will link them below, but this one is a beautiful mushroom print from Juna. Thank you so much. And then we have this one, which came all the way from Switzerland. I really love this. This one Carolyn gave me. I love you, Carolyn. Thank you so much. I think about this quote all the time from Jack London. This is from a set of hanging shelves that I have. As you can see, I was very indecisive about where to put things, but I'll link these below. I really love this. And then I do have some candles here. This one is thrifted and this is thrifted too, that I just like burning when I'm writing essays for some ambiance. And then we have a mushroom sticker, butterfly sticker, chess. This one I ripped out of a book. I think it's so pretty. And then this one is from Howl's Moving Castle. This one I found on Redbubble. We have some Van Gogh. We also have another one of Carolyn's on the page, Prince of Rilke, which is gorgeous. This one I also got on Redbubble. It is from Spirited Away. I think this is so gorgeous. Up here we have another postcard from the art shop in Switzerland. This came all the way from Brazil and it is a portrait of Gabriel Garcia Marquez. It's so gorgeous. Thank you. Hi. This one of you guys made. I'm never taking this off my wall. I am obsessed with this. I think it is just so pretty. It's Howl's Moving Castle. I love it. And then we have Totoro. And then finally, I get questions about this one a lot too. This one I did rip out of the Harry Potter film books. So yeah. I did try to do some cable management, but there was not a lot of management done. So here it is. I really love it so much. I'm so happy with the way it turned out. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And until then, I'll see you next time in my next video. Ciao.